Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine. So this is the first week of January 2021. So today guys, I'll be using this Blue Magic hair grease on my hair. So this is the original Blue Magic conditioner hair dress. Nourish your hair and scalp with this grease. So as you can see, it's blue in color, and it's very good for to condition your hair, to keep your hair moisturized condition for days. So the consistency is so light guys. It's not tacky. When you touch it, not really tacky, but it's so light like oil, like oil, so light like oil. So I'm just going to take out I'm going to take out some of this grease and put it inside this my little bowl, because I'll be mixing it with some oils. Okay, so to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys for your love and support. So if you just subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. Hope your bell is on, okay, so that you will not miss any of my video. So the first oil that I'll be adding is pure sesame oil. So guys, this oil is so good for our hair. It helps to stop irritating in the scalp. It helps to promote hair growth, and it's very good for our hair. So I just start using it, and I can see the benefit. You can just put it on your scalp just like that, like just use it to on your scalp, or you can put it on your hair anyhow you want to use it. It's so good. So guys, this is my DIY black seed oil. So the video is already on my channel. I'm going to leave the link at the description box below, or at the card, or at the end stream of this video. So here is my DIY hibiscus oil. So the video is also on my channel. So everything is going to be linked at the description box below. So the next oil is pure castor oil guys. So I'll also be adding pure castor oil to this now. Like everything that I'm going to add to this grease is going to boost your hair growth, and also create good environment for you for healthy hair growth. So just do it this way, and your hair will never stop growing. Like, add something to your hair grease to boost your hair growth. So this is extra virgin olive oil. So I'm also going to add this extra virgin olive oil to this mixture. So extra virgin is so good for our hair. It helps to promote hair growth. It also helps to thicken your hair and add volume to your hair. So this is sweet almond oil. So this is pure almond oil. I'm also going to add that to this mixture. So this is honey guys. I'm also going to add honey to it, because honey helps to keep your hair hydrated, and also strengthen, and also promote healthy hair growth. So I'm going to add the honey, then I will mix everything together very well, everything together very well. Then I will just apply it to my hair. So if you just come across my video on YouTube, you saw it, you click on it, you are watching it now, and you are thinking of subscribing or not, please just subscribe, okay? Subscribe, and also hit that bell, put it in all, so that anytime your girl posts new video, you will not miss out. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix the grease together. Don't mind the color, okay? Because of the different kinds of oil that I add to it, that change the beautiful blue color to this dark blue, if I should call it dark blue. So everything is mixed now. So everything is mixed, guys. You can skip this part if you want, but for me it's very important that I do this part because I want the oil and the grease to combine together very well. So when you melt it, everything is going to combine very well. So that's why I always do this step. You can skip it if you want. You can also do this step if you want, because it's so important to me to do it. So guys, it's now time for me to apply this product to my hair. So we are dancing into the new year. We dance into the new year, okay, because we're already in the new year. So this is how my hair look like now. I'm going to just apply this product to my hair. So I'm starting with this first session right here. I have my water here. Very important for you to add water to your hair, because water also play a huge role for hair growth, to nourish and keep your hair hydrated. So I'm going to add water first, then I will add my grease, my hair grow mist grease. So guys, if you want to watch more of grease, I have a playlist. I will also leave it at the description box below. Just go and check out that playlist. There are a lot of hair grease products that you might want to watch. Just go click and watch, okay? So after applying my water, I love to work my water into my hair very well, okay? So I'm going to massage the water into my hair very well, so that my hair can absorb the water, okay? I'm going to just put it and just back. So now after just working the water into my hair, this is the shedding hair, guys. So the shedding hair is normal. If your hair is shedding, minimal shedding, guys, not that excess shedding. So just minimal, just little shedding, it's normal. Take it out, okay? So this is the length of my hair. Length check. So guys, I'll be doing proper length check because I will be going on a hair growth challenge. I've already started the hair growth challenge, but the video will soon be coming on YouTube. So I'll be doing a proper length check for this month, January. I'll be going on a hair growth journey. If you don't want to miss, just subscribe so that you can also follow me on this hair growth journey, okay? We are going to be doing it for 1 month with different kinds of product, okay? So for this hair growth challenge, but one particular product, we are going to be using it with different kinds of product. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. One particular product, I will be using it in different kinds of product, okay? So now after applying the grease to my hair, I'm just going to detangle my hair. My hair is not that tangled, so just to distribute the product to my hair, I will be combing it, okay? Now it's time for me to just twist my hair. You can twist your hair at this point, you can braid your hair, you can cornrow your hair, any easy style, any easy protective style that you do will be fine. But I find twisting my hair very easy, so just be big kind of jumbo twist and just call it a day. So there's what this product is supposed to do for our hair growth. Blue Magic conditioner hair dress is formulated to give effective hair conditioning for days, keep hair natural and lustrous, promote a healthier hair and scalp condition. Use as often as you like. Apply to the hair and scalp using fingertip to massage in thoroughly. Style as you please. Ingredients: petroleum, lanolin, minerals, oil, and so. the rest of it, this ingredient. So guys, this is what it's supposed to do, but it does not really have too much of ingredients. There are few ingredients inside this blue magic hair dress. So guys, now I'm done. I'm done braiding my hair. As you can see, I don't really take too much time because it's kind of big, huge twist that I did. So now after braiding my hair, this I'm twisting my hair. This is how my hair is looking like now. I'm just going to also grease my scalp. As you can see me doing it right here. I'm going to grease my scalp, so which is very important. Okay, so once in a while you have to grease your scalp the way your scalp feel. If your scalp feels so dry, just grease it and everything will be fine. Everybody will be okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. So this is the remaining one. I'm going to keep it and I will use it during the week to grease my scalp and also apply it to my hair. So guys, thank you. I appreciate you guys once again for coming to watch my video today. Happy New Year to you guys. Pray that this new year will be a good year for all of us. Thank you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.